Unity is strength, division is weakness. Greetings to all. Today, I stand before you to explore a profound concept of something that has the power to change lives. Unity is strength, division is weakness. Greetings to all. Today, I stand before you to explore a profound concept of something that has the power to change lives, to heal wounds. That is unity. In a world that's often marred with conflicts, misunderstanding, and hurtful actions, embracing the principle of forgiveness is not only an act of kindness, it's a courageous choice that paves the way to peace and unity. A few years ago, two of my neighbors had an argument about their boundary wall. One of them complained that the wall was built 2 inches inside their property. Just 2 inches. But, in reality, it was just the mason boss's fault for taking the miscalculations. Given this mistake, the neighbor building the wall was ready to pay the other for the extra 2 inches. But the old man, who was on the other side, was not ready to accept this and kept on complaining that this was a mistake and did not forgive. That night, the old man suffered a heart attack due to the anger he kept inside his heart and was admitted to the hospital. After that night, his son, who was the new owner of the land, understood the situation which was going on, but he did not want to disrupt the unity between their neighborhood. So he stepped forward and forgave the neighbor for his mistake and accepted his compensation. After this, they were not only good neighbors, but they were good friends as well. This just made me think to myself that if the old man had a good heart, just like his son, to forgive, he wouldn't have been admitted to the hospital. Finally, if unity is not a part of our lives, and if we do not develop this principle, then we will be filled with anger, intolerance, and grudges. We will lose our peace of mind, and our life will be filled with misery. Every human must have the quality of unity within themselves. If we keep unity as our philosophy, friendship, teamwork, happiness, then good relationships will blossom in our mind. In this beautiful world, if unity isn't there, this world will be filled with war, destruction, and violence. It will be a very unpleasant place for all as human beings. First, we should build up unity within ourselves and spread it among the people around us. Then we can all see what this beautiful world will turn out to be. So my dear friends, be united, stay harmonious.
Thank you, Krishane Joe Pintoe, for this wonderful speech.